to install indicators onto your charts. Currently on the MT4 charts, when you open your account up, there are two indicators already on the charts. These are called moving averages. We will talk about these further in the technical analysis videos. But for example, if first of all you just want to delete them if you don't want them on your charts, what you do is you click on the right click there, and you'll see delete indicator. We can also delete this one here. Right click and delete. Let's say you would like to add an indicator. What we do is we go to the top left of the chart here and click on insert. And the first tab is indicators, and this will open up some sub tabs. As you can see, there are many types of indicators here. The best thing to do is start with the most simple indicators. But the thing is that there are indicators to determine the trend. We have oscillators. There are indicators that will show you the volume. There are Bill Williams indicators, and you can also create your own. First, so let's say we just want to add on a moving average, which we already had on the chart. So we go down here and type in and click on moving average. Parameters. So basically what we can do is we can decide the number, which is called the period for the moving average. Let's say we want to keep it nice and simple and put in 100. 100 is a very popular moving average. A lot of people also like to use Fibonacci numbers as well. We can talk about it in the technical analysis videos. But let's say we want to keep it simple and use 100. You can also use a different type of method here. You can use simple or exponential. If you're a longer term trader, we would advise to use a simple moving average, and if you're a shorter term trader, then we would advise to use exponential. As we're on a 15-minute chart, we'll use the exponential. And you can also change the thickness here. But sorry, I forgot to say, on the apply to, just leave it to close. You can change it here, but the standard, if you're a beginner, then it'd be easy to leave it as closed. You can also change the colour here, so if you want to put it into purple, and you can change the different type of line there, or you can even change the thickness. So let's leave it at a thin. Let's put it thick actually, so we can see it a little bit clearer. And then you click on OK. So as you can see, we have this moving average here. This is a 100 exponential moving average, a good sort of short-term indicator that can determine where the current price is and if it needs to move back to the moving average. So that's a very popular indicator there. What we'll do is we'll add another indicator. We'll put on a type of oscillator. A very popular oscillator is the relative strength index, also known as RSI. This determines overbought or oversold conditions in the market. So we'll click on that. It's best to use the standard period. You can change it if you get a bit more advanced, but the automatic settings are very, very good for beginners. We'll leave the style at blue, and the best thing to do is just to leave it all at standard, because that's a very sort of good standard setup that a lot of people use, and it's the most popular. And to put that on, you just click on OK. Anything below 30 indicates oversold, so that means that the market should come back up, and anything above 70 indicates overbought market conditions, i.e. the market should come back down into the middle of this 70 to 30 range. Let's say we want to delete the indicator, delete both indicators off our charts. You click on the right, click on the chart, click on indicator list, and we have our moving average here. So you click on the left mouse button there, and then you'll see these two options here. You can either edit it here, so if you want to change the number to I don't know, 50 moving average or 5 moving average. Let's say we just want to delete it. Just click on the delete button there. You can see that automatically move off of the chart. Let's say we want to delete this relative strength index. You click on the left button to highlight it, and we can edit. There is the edit option here. But let's say we want to delete it, and you click on the delete button, and then click on close, and your chart is back to where it was. Okay. So all you need to really remember is to add an indicator. You go on the insert button here, highlight indicators, and all the indicators come up there. And if you want to delete or edit your indicators, then you right click on the chart, and the indicator section will come up, but we don't have any indicators there, and that's where you can edit and delete them. Okay. For more videos, click on the MRC Markets website and we'll go through the technical analysis and fundamental analysis, etc. Okay, thank you for listening.